Hello everybody, this is Omkar Singh here. Welcome to this video. So you might on this video because you want to join High Traffic Academy, right? So guys, my name is Omkar Singh and I am one of the student of Wixtredius, and I am here to inform you that if you want to join High Traffic Academy, you need to join Big Idea Mastermind first. Okay, so guys, actually right now at this point when I'm recording this video, High Traffic Academy is now a part of Big Idea Mastermind. So what is Big Idea Mastermind? Big Idea Mastermind is another coaching program of Wixtredius where it's not just a traffic generation coaching. Okay, it's not just traffic generation coaching program, it's more than that. You will learn everything, okay, everything which have ever been created in this internet marketing industry. Okay, so guys, it is a full internet marketing training, okay, coaching program by my mentor Vic Regis. Okay, you might already know him. So guys, you will see, we will find everything there. Okay, first of all, High Traffic Academy is the part of Big Idea Mastermind. Okay, so you are going to get so you don't need to worry about traffic generation stuff because you are getting everything in that High Traffic Academy only. Okay, and then you are also going to get products. Okay, you know, you now you don't need to find products to sell. Okay, you know, you first of all you need to um, uh, before you need to find products for ClickBank, okay, from ClickBank, from other affiliate product. But now in Big Idea Mastermind, you don't need to find products, okay, because we are providing products to you. Okay, we are providing products to you in which you can earn up to 100% commission. Okay, you are going to earn 100% commission, and you will be earning, you will be earning monthly residual income. Okay, whenever you sell any product or any of our product, you're going to earn monthly residual income for that. Okay, so guys, this is the additional part of Big Idea Mastermind. So actually, if you want to know more about Big Idea Mastermind, you will find somewhere in this page you will find a section where you need to put in your name and email address. Okay, please put your name and email address, and as soon as you put your name and email address there, I'm going to send you an immediate instant email address on your email inbox where you can see the three videos related to Big Idea Mastermind created by Vic Regis, where he is going to tell you that how Vic was able to earn $710,000 in just 28 days. Okay, see guys, Big Idea Mastermind made $710,000 in just 28 days for Vic Regis. Okay, so you can just imagine the power of Big Idea Mastermind. Okay, and there you will also find the video of people, okay, who are just started getting started with internet marketing, and they are earning $5,000 to $30,000 per month right now. Okay, and they are completely newbie, and only because of Big Idea Mastermind they are earning this kind of commission, this kind of huge commissions. Okay, so guys, no matter if you are a newbie or if you are a professional internet marketing or marketer already, you need to get in Big Idea Mastermind because you will find everything there. Everything is actually it's like a big umbrella under which everything is settled. Okay, so so what you need to do now, you need to put in your name and email address. Okay, name and email address, and as soon as you click enter your name and email address, this page will redirect you to the another page where you are going to get more information about Big Idea Mastermind and how you can join it. Okay, how you can join in. And I want to tell you that if you want to get access to High Traffic Academy, you need to become the member of Big Idea Mastermind of platinum and diamond membership. Okay, there is a membership levels in Big Idea Mastermind. Okay, you can join any level, but you will find High Traffic Academy in on platinum and diamond level membership. Okay, so it is and other things. Okay, this is the other thing, but right now you need to put in your name and email address so that you can check out Big Idea Mastermind, what is it, and how it's going to help you in your business, and how how fast actually it is about speed. Okay, how fast you will be able to earn money from Big Idea Mastermind. okay? And Vic Strategist, you already know him. He's a great guy, the king of online traffic. He is personally gonna help you in that, okay? So, and put your name and email address. Watch the information related to Big Idea Mastermind on the next page. Please join the Big Idea Mastermind today, because as soon as you put in your name and email address, you are going to have only 24 hours to join Big Idea Mastermind for free. Okay, you are going to get Big Idea Mastermind for free only if you take action within 24 hours. Okay, and as soon as you put in your name and email address, you will get an email from me, instant email from me on your email inbox, where you can find two videos there. Okay, one will show you how Vic was able to earn $710,000 in just 28 days, and second, some of the testimonial related to Big Idea Mastermind, how newbies are making money with Big Idea Mastermind. Okay, so guys, now it's time to take action. Now it's time to get serious, guys. Now it's time to get excited. Okay, so now go ahead, put your name and email address and get the part of our team. Okay, one of the fastest growing team in this internet marketing industry. Okay, so guys, I want to see you inside, and guys, this is the um, once in a lifetime opportunity. I think it is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and you need to grab it. Okay, you need to grab it. So guys, put your name and email address below, get the more information about Big Idea Mastermind, and get in now. Okay, join the Big Idea Mastermind now. Okay, now, because guys, it's important. And so I will see you inside. Okay, bye for now.